Hello my friends! Today we have calamari, but not fried calamari as usual. I will make calamari Thai with Thai flavors. Let's start our recipe. On a casserole we add olive oil. We saute it a little bit, the calamari, then we add the roasted peppers, a mix of Thai veggies, some onion, ginger and coriander ground, and chili sauce. Let's see. A few salt and pepper and fresh coconut milk. We leave our calamari for 2 more minutes, and also we add the cornstarch in our calamari. Our calamari is ready. One plate. We served a few of pistachio, and my favorite time is the time when I try my food.